To design marketing designs for social media, you can follow these steps. Determine your target audience. Understanding your target audience is crucial in designing marketing designs for social media. Knowing your audience's age, gender, interests, and preferences can help you tailor your designs to their specific needs. Know your brand. Make sure that your marketing designs accurately reflect your brand's values, personality, and aesthetic. Use your brand's colors, fonts, and logo to create a consistent look and feel across your social media pages. Choose the right format. Different social media platforms have different recommended sizes and aspect ratios for images and videos. Make sure to research and follow the guidelines for each platform to ensure your designs are optimized for maximum impact. Make it visually appealing. Use eye-catching colors, clear and simple text, and images that stand out to grab your audience's attention. Use a call to action. Encourage your audience to take action by including a clear and compelling call to action in your designs. Test and iterate. Test different design elements and track the results to see what works best. Keep refining your designs until you find the combination that resonates with your audience and drives the desired results. Stay up to date. Social media platforms and design trends are constantly evolving, so it's important to stay up to date with the latest best practices and design trends. By following these steps, you can create marketing designs that effectively communicate your message and drive results on social media.